kaya ang sasabihin mo sa kanya? Yan ang kailangan naming i-figure out ngayong umaga dito sa ating Mars Sharing Group. Okay.
Pero bilang hindi pa dumarating yung time machine na in-order namin, online ha, meron kami ditong mailbox to the future.
Correct. Okay, alright. So, bawat isa sa amin may isinulat na short letter para sa aming future selves at dito namin nilagay ang mga bagay na gusto namin sabihin sa aming future self.
At yan ang isa-isahin nating basahin, starting off with Mama.
Yes! Very, very realistic.
Ang laki ng lettering.
Kasi nga malabo mabasa. Malabo mata nga, di ba? Ito na.
Okay, Mama.
To my future self. You made it. Good job. Wow! Huwag makalimot magpasalamat kasi ito at bongga ka, nakatawid at nasagot lahat ng dasal mo. Always be grateful. Matuto ka na sa mga pagkakamali mo at mas maging madasalin ka. Okay? Ingatan ang kalusugan, love pokwang, hotel and restaurant, beach resort owner.
Wow!
Mama, kasal naman dyan.
Timing kami dyan,
naman ang future.
Mama, okay, so wait, ilang years into the future ba ito?
Looking at 2 years lang daw.
2 weeks.
Asap yun eh.
Okay.
Agad-agad.
May mga
No
bata
time
na
to
pala.
waste. Parang pa-turn over na.
Pa-turn over na ba
Finishing
ito, Mars?
1 week lang yan kay Mama.
2 weeks lang, 2 weeks lang.
Okay, ito na, Mars.
Okay, Mars. Okay, here we go. So, talaga, ay, mga ganito talaga tayo.
Pero alam mo, iiyak ka na naman.
Hindi, Mars.
Talaga?
Hindi talaga. Okay, teka lang.
Dahil pang ano yan, magpakailanman.
Oo nga. Okay.
Ang haba ng sulat mo sa sarili mo, Mars.
Dear future self, I hope that by now you've found comfort in this newfound strength from your faith and that the worries of the world have been lessened. After all those years of following your children closely, you now watch from afar and see them grow, explore, and unravel their full potential while still loving and caring for each other. Kasi importante sa akin yun, Mars.
Yes.
Whatever they become in the future, I want them to love and care pa rin for each other. You can watch confidently after instilling the values and faith that they'll need for this lifetime. Now, you and Drew can embrace the joys of family traveling together, as well as enjoying more trips together also just as husband and wife. Kasi syempre puro kami, it's all about the kids. Parang, talagang overnight, biglang hindi nyo na priority yung isa't isa. And you don't realize it until it's actually happening.
True.
Parang kahit ano pang sabi ng mga tao na ganito mangyayari, parang, hindi magiging ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero magiging ganyan talaga kasi iba na kapag may bata na.
Totoo yan.
So, I'm looking forward, but ayoko naman masyado i-fast forward.
Yes.
To the time na kaming dalawa lang ulit ni Drew na we don't have to worry about the kids.
Yes.
We don't have to feel guilty na naiwan namin sa bahay.
Yes, correct.
Oo, very Paula Abrera at Suzy.
Ayan na.
Yan,
Nandito na sila sa ganong season ng buhay nila.
Yes.
Nice one, Mars. Ihulog na yan.
Okay, sisend ko na kay Santa.
Okay.
Ayan na. Ay, may problema lang. Paano pag nag-reply?
Ayun lang.
Wag naman, Mars. Okay, ayan.
Ikaw din yung
Sinend ko na. Bakit kasi hindi naman natin in-email? Ano ba to?
Ayun, daw, balik tayo sa snail mail.
Okay.
Okay. Mars, Jose.
Okay.
It's your turn.
To the future, Chef Jose. Siyempre, una-una dyan, health, of course. Health for my family, for myself, all my friends, all my loved ones. Siyempre, stay positive, whatever happens. You have to be positive sa buhay, kahit anong hardship na pinagdadaanan natin. Positivity is the best key to success. Of course, you have to be God-fearing. Thankful tayo kay Lord sa mga blessings na kuha natin. Whatever happens, He's always there for all of us. Whether good times, bad times, palagi siya nandyan. Personally, gusto ko mag-improve. Gusto ko improve yung being a better person, being a better chef, being a better role model sa mga tao na nag-look up sa akin as a chef. And of course, yun nga, maximize my time. We all have a time on this earth. And I think we have to live every minute that, kailangan mag-importante, every minute, every hour, every day. So, live your life to the fullest, and of course, maximize your time.
Ganda. Love it.
Thanks, guys.
Trending.
Pwede maging ano eh, pwede naman maging simple yung sulat mo sa future self mo eh. Future self, congrats. Kasi ibig sabihin nakarating ka doon.
Correct.
Okay na yun. Ng buhay.
That's more than enough.
More than
Mars.
enough.
That's true. Okay, ako na pala. Mars.
Yan.
Short and sweet.
Ay, oo nga.
Mars. Kita mo
With
naman.
green pen.
With green pen.
Ikaw talaga ang bilis ng
Nakita
mata
pa
mo,
yun.
ha? Saka yung high school mo, ano?
So, ay, ginandahan ko na yan, Mamar.
O, high school nga.
Kaya nga eh. At least hindi yung grade school pa. Okay, to my future self, enjoy every moment while it lasts. Savor every laughter, every tears, and everything that comes and goes. I am proud of what you have become, and I hope you are proud of yourself and the person you have turned out to be.
Oh.
That's it.
Ang iksi nga, pero
Parang nakakaiyak pa rin.
lalim-laliman ka dyan.
Pinahaba mo pa yung ano ulit yung
The person you have turned out to be.
Hindi, kapag pinahabaan mo pa yung savor every laughter, every tear, and everything that
Comes and goes.
Habaan mo pa yan, iiyak ka naman.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya nga sa pagsusulat pa lang, pinutol ko
Two
Two
yan.
words na lang eh, paiyak na eh.
Kasi parang gusto ko lang sabihin sa sarili ko in the future na parang kung ano man yung mga naging decision mo in life, sana naging masaya ka doon.
Oo, totoo.
Just like what you said, we're not gonna be here forever.
Yun
So
na
huwag
nga.
natin isipin na we have all the time in the world because we don't. So, enjoyin mo lang while it lasts.
Enjoy life.
Yes!
Okay, alam
Let's
Siyempre.
drop it!
Ito na ang pinakahihintay po lahat.
Ito na, syempre,
Okay.
si birthday girl,
Ang
may
pinakawala
sulat sa
na.
sarili
Yan
niya.
Sana
I love it!
Okay, wait lang.
go.
Nagpilinan niya si Spot.
Okay.
Nakakaiyak to.
Hindi ito nakakaiyak.
Talaga ba? Tignan
To
natin.
my future self, una sa lahat, ayokong mangako kasi napapakap. Pero, para sa akin, mas babawi ako ng oras sa parents ko,
Ay.
sa family ko. Family pa rin yung ano ko. Kahit sa future na family pa rin. Papatayuan ko pa ng
Hindi, napatayo mo na yan
Napatayo pa.
dapat.
papatayuan ko pa ng mas magandang mga bahay si mama at si papa.
Sampu pang bahay.
Bibigay ko pa lahat ng kaya ko sa mga pamangkin ko. O, di ba? Nanay na nanay. At huwag kakalimutan syempre ang sarili mo. Mag-ipon ka rin. At sa panahon na to, nakaipon ka na. Para sa sarili mo, good luck and enjoy life dahil life is short, kagaya mo. Yan lang. Nice one! Wala naman masyado.
Pero alam mo kaya siya blessed? Kasi masyado siyang, yung sa pamilya.
Talaga, feeling ko talaga parang kaya ako nabuhay sa mundong to para sa pamilya ko.
Ay, magandang balik niyan. Maganda yan.
Yes.